What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. If you like drones and tech, then welcome to Drone Mania. This is the Firefly drone by Tracker. Should be the opposite. It's not like anything you've seen before. It's something really cool and really interesting. It has a couple of features that I haven't really seen it on other drones. Continue watching the video to find out. So let's get right into it. This is everything you receive in the box. Set of 4 3-leaf propellers, infrared takeoff and land controller, charging USB pin cable, charging USB cable for the battery. Comes with a 3.7 volt 550 milliamp battery. The construction of this drone is extremely solid. It has a very well made, well built design. Very sturdy, it seems, against the bangs and hits. Its bottom landing gear, as you can see, has that indication of being an indoor drone because of its landing gear is like spongy texture, so it seems that it's not really meant for outdoors, but that will be put to the test, of course. This is the controller. Yes, this is the controller, people. As you can see, wired with a button. It's wearable. It just wraps around your hand like so. A very, very amazing thing. And it just holds on like that. And then you just place this little, strap around you. Press the button once, turns on. Long press for about 4 or 5 seconds, turns off. That's the charging port right there. And then here you see how you have the button. One press will like do a takeoff and then, things like that. Very amazing, cool thing. And then you just wrap it up like so for compact simplicity, and in the pocket it goes, just done like that, people. So my friends, we're downstairs here in the gym. This toy grade drone has something unlike anything I've ever seen in a toy graded quadcopter or drone. What is it? That was just a controller for the Canon camera 77D, but that's another thing. That's another video. So it has this really cool feature called infrared obstacle avoidance. What does that mean? Is that the obstacle avoidance that most people are aware from are the ones that are from the Phantoms and the Mavics and even your, I think, Spark or your Mavic Air, whatever. So those ones are built in, really professional, expensive GPS, etc. This one is not. This is your toy grade drone. So it does have obstacle avoidance, but it's infrared, which means that a lot of light to it will not allow it to work. So I don't know how good it will perform outside in a really bright day. It'll be good for a test, but indoors, it's perfect for it. And I want to show you guys how it works. It's really cool. 1, 2, 3, and 4 sensors. So all of the surroundings is protected by the infrared obstacle avoidance. Let's test it out now. Another thing, my friends, I really love about this toy grade quadcopter is that because it comes with something like this and it's a little maybe confusing at first for people, the company actually made a real controller. But this whole controller's purpose and existence in our society, our life, our world, our universe, is that it functions as a takeoff and landing. That's all it does. One click takeoff, one click land. So it's a good thing to have if you're beginning and you get nervous and you don't know what you're doing. Boop, you press and it drops or lands. Now, how good is it outside, outdoors, with strong light, sunlight, nature's true light? That will be put to the test, my friends. So my friends, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think about these two new features? The infrared obstacle avoidance and the controller, which is over there, the little mini one. It's not your biggest tech of that controller. It just does up and down or take off and land, but I think it's a really good feature to have for beginners. The infrared obstacle avoidance is a really cool thing. It's not 100% obviously, because anything infrared is in general, so it does do pretty good for the build that they gave it, like its functionality. It's pretty damn good. It works okay. It's not, you know, the greatest. It's toy grade, right? What do you guys think? Should these things be now put on more toy graded drones? Should they be placed on all of them? Should they be placed even with a little bit more advanced drones, but without GPS functionalities? What do you guys think of this infrared obstacle avoidance? I would really like to hear down in the comments below. So don't forget to do that, please. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe. Until next time, remember to be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!